Hello everyone, I'm Jay and I have a Dell Latitude L7480 here, and today we're going to replace the RAM on this beautiful baby, right? So let's get started. Earlier it used to be like used to be just one box you open and you can replace the RAM, but now it seems I need to take the whole panel off. So I'm trying, this is the first time I'm trying to do it, but I hope it helps somebody. Let's see, so I need to take the screw off. These screws, I just noticed they won't come off completely, so they'll stick to the panel. So I had a cup next to me to keep all the screws, but that's not needed now. Right, so right, yes, that's me done. Okay, so I'm just, yeah, that's it. I just pull it up and then came off. And as you can see, this is the RAM here, and oh, there you go, battery. And we have the hard disk here. This is a different type of hard disk, different SSD, but different interface. I just forgot the name of it. Yeah, no. I couldn't remember anyway, so the technical word for it. But anyway, so hopefully I can take the RAM off with no issues. Right, okay, that's done. This is it. Right. So I'm replacing, at the moment, I think my laptop is only 8 gig. I believe, yes it is 8 gig, so I'm going from 8 gig to 32, so two 16 gig sticks from Crucial. I always order from Crucial. If you put in your laptop model, or you can download a scanning tool from Crucial and they will tell you exactly what you need. So I hope that helps. Right. That's it. First one done. I don't even need to push hard. The second one, these are the two slots here. Oops. Here's the second one, right? Here's the second one. Okay. It's not coming up. Right, okay, cool. There you go. I'll let you see it. Right. Second one. Here. Just push it slightly in, and then push it down. So it's locked. All right, that's pretty much it. Take the old RAM out. As you can see, we have taken it out, and all the, as I said, all the screws are to the panel, so they're not gone anywhere. They are there. Yeah, when I first put it in, there was a small gap, so I just figured I've done something wrong. So put the front of the laptop here first, and then put the other side. Alright, that's it. The memory has been replaced, so let's go and start the laptop. Right, not sure if you can see it. We have just started the laptop and it says the amount of system memory has been changed. So yeah, then press F1, try to reboot. So there you go, it started. It's asking for my password. Right, I'm going to enter my password. This is my BitLocker password, right? And And then how much memory have I got here? Right, system information. So there you go, install memory 32, total physical memory 21, available 28, blah 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 blah, right? So you got this here. Right, thank you very much for watching. Cheers.